let's talk about something that's been shaking up portable gaming, the Asus ROG Ally X. This isn't just another handheld. It's essentially a full Windows gaming PC crammed into your palms. Normally, I'd be geeking out over gaming laptops, but this thing? It's in a league of its own. First impressions matter, and unboxing the Ally X feels like holding the future. If the future came with RGB lighting and enough horsepower to make your old gaming rig jealous. Right out the gate, you'll notice this isn't some dinky plastic toy. The build quality, rock solid. The textured grips make marathon sessions comfortable, and the weight distribution is surprisingly balanced. Yeah, it's chunkier than a Switch OLED, but every extra millimeter packs in serious tech. Those rear paddles aren't just for show, they're customizable to the teeth, giving you console-level control schemes for PC games. Under the hood lies AMD's Z1 Extreme processor, basically a laptop CPU that laughs at mobile games. Paired with 24 gigabytes of RAM, this configuration blasts through modern titles like a champ. Now, let's be real. It won't replace your RTX 4080 desktop, but when you're playing Elden Ring at 60 frames per second on an airplane tray table, that's black magic. The 7-inch 1080p 120Hz display is the cherry on top of vibrant colors, buttery smooth motion, and bright enough to combat glare at the park. Connectivity? Asus went all out. You've got USB 4.0 for external GPU support. Yes, really? A microSD slot for instant storage boosts, and enough USB-C ports to make a MacBook Pro jealous. The included 65W charger juices up the 80Wh battery surprisingly fast. Though hardcore gamers will want to stay near outlets, Turbo Mode drains it in about 2 hours during intense sessions. Gaming performance is where the Ally X flexes. Cyberpunk 2077 at medium settings? Check. Baldur's Gate 3 with minimal compromises? Absolutely. Indie games like Hades 2 run flawlessly at max settings. The secret sauce is Asus's Armory Crate software. One button press pulls up performance tweaks, fan curves, and RGB controls without ever leaving your game. Those Hall effect joysticks, zero drift worries, and the mechanical face buttons have that satisfying click we all crave. Audio quality shocked me. The dual speakers pump out rich, directional sound that actually helps in competitive shooters. The 3.5mm jack delivers clean output too, though Bluetooth latency is low enough for wireless buds. Noise from the fans? Noticeable during heavy loads, but nowhere near gaming laptop levels. Just don't expect MacBook-level silence when pushing the hardware. Now the big question, is it worth $899? Compared to a Steam Deck, you're paying for Windows compatibility and raw power. Against gaming laptops? You lose some performance but gain insane portability. If you travel constantly or crave PC gaming on the couch, this might be your holy grail. For everyone else? Wait for holiday sales. Either way, the Ally X proves handheld gaming PCs aren't just a fad, they're the future. Like this deep dive? Smash that like button, it helps more gamers find honest reviews. Not subscribed yet? Join the techies for weekly tech breakdowns. Drop a comment below, would you choose this over a gaming laptop?